needing my here pocket knife from the US Marines. I had to get this because my worm bin got too wet. So what I have here, guys, is the Bonsaii paper shredder. It's a 12 sheet. I'll put the description below so you guys can actually see what it is. But I got this essentially to start shredding more cardboard because I usually cut the cardboard by hand and that takes a long time and it definitely hurts my arm. So we're gonna open it and see if this thing actually works. All right, guys, so to open this, obviously I'm gonna be needing my here pocket knife from the US Marines. Bam, you did? This is what we see when we open the box. Here is the shredder piece. All right. Got some instructions, but I'm gonna just guess how to do it. What do we have here? All right. We have an auto, off, reverse, forward, all that good stuff. So let's see how it works. I guess you just slap this bad boy on the top, like so. I'm gonna get some electricity so we can see if it actually works. All right, boom. Now we have some electricity. Let's see how this thing works. Plug this bad boy in. All right. Hear that engine? You hear that engine? I do also have here with me some scissors and a box to test it. They say it's going to work. It's about 9 inches across, if you know what I mean. Let's cut this guy. How about that? So all the way down. This is usually how I cut my cardboard pieces. I'm not even joking. I'll bring you guys in a bit closer just so you can see what's going on. All right, guys, first cardboard test. Can definitely fit. So let's see how this thing rolling. I put it on. You have auto, reverse, forward. So I just go into auto. Bomba class. All right. Let's see how we did. Obviously, I'm plugging this out first because I'm not getting no shizziming. We're not doing that. Take this top piece off. Bomba clot. All right. I see the difference now. Look at this. Look at this. Shredded cardboard. Look at that. Bomba clot. Shred a couple more pieces. Usually that piece right there would have took me like 5 minutes. This thing, 5 seconds. Bam. Let's plug this guy up and put some more. Plus those sizes of cardboard, I usually have like squares like this big. These things are shredded. Bam, auto. Yeah, this is a game changer. For my next worm bin, I'm definitely using this cardboard. Ready again. Boops. Auto. Yeah, and it can hold a lot of cardboard too. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. This is what bedding's supposed to look like. I have cardboard squares, bro, which is fine. You can have cardboard squares, rectangles. You can even have longer pieces. But this bedding right here, this breaks down so much faster, so much quicker. And it's easier for the worms to eat them once they're smaller pieces anyways. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, if you're into content like this, gardening and worms, definitely subscribe because I have a lot more coming. I'm just getting started. Welcome to Jason Gardening and More. Boom. Big up. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.